everyone! Look what I got! Oh, it's finally time to unbox the surprise photo box. And I pre-ordered it when pre-order first became available in like December, so I have been waiting a long time for this. And I am very excited and very nervous to see whose, what do you call it, accordion book I got. And I pre-ordered this from CD Japan. I did not get any of the member posters because it was just cheaper this way. And anyway, they didn't have the poster that I wanted, so I'll give you, if you've been watching my channel, you know this, I'll give you 3 guesses as to which 3 members I want the accordion book for. Probably not going to get them, but I would also like Minju or Cheon. I would trade them, but you know, just to have the scans on my blog. Ooh, so pretty. Wow. This is really nice, and I love the color. Special diary. This is super cute. So I guess every member gets like 2 pages for this. Let's speed this along a little bit. Ain't that the truth? Alright, DVD, calendar. Oh goodness. Okay. Stickers. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute. Oh dear, there's my cat. Alright, cat in the room. Come on, work with me. Why the... Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I love the pairing of eyes one and flowers. Right, let's take a look at the calendar. If I can get it out of here. Okay. Oh, this thing has like a stand in the back. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to display the calendar. Oh, the backs are plain? Oh, no, they're not. Okay. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. Oh my God, this is adorable. Oh, okay, that one. Okay. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see. Let's see who I got. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Who'd I get? No hints back there. No hints here. Minju! Oh, how cute. Wow, these are 6 pages? No, this has got to be... Oh, right. It's like an accordion. Hello. Okay. Ooh. Oh my God, she's so pretty. Oh, backs are all plain. Oh. There's her message. Okay, so there's one. Now let's see who else I've got. Nako! Oh, thank goodness. Oh, there's one I don't have to trade for. And this one should be plain. Yeah, that one's plain. Okay. Okay, last one. Sakura told me. Sakura told me. Sakura told me. Sakura or Tomi. Upside down. Okay, it opens this way. Tomi! Yes! Oh my goodness, thank God. Okay, and now all I need is Sakura. Alright, if anyone wants to trade me their Sakura for Minju, let me know. Or sell me Sakura, I'll pay you $20. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh my God, there's another cat in my room now. Oh, come on, how do we do this? I need to lean on something. Okay, there we go. My god, these are adorable. This is so cute. I love it. I mean, I would have gotten it anyway because it's Eyes one, but I'm so glad I got this. Oh, that's really cute. Ooh, oh my. Ooh, glamour shots. Oh, wow. Wow. I can't wait to pop in the making DVD and watch the behind the scenes for this. Ugh, goddess. I want that dress. Oh my god. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Cat walking by. Wow, this book doesn't look that big, but there's really a lot that you get in here. Oh my god, so cute. This cat doesn't settle down, I'm kicking him out of my room. And there's that teaser image that we all know and love. And there we go, that's it. Wow. All right. So, thanks for watching. Bye.